this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn room. Well, today's video, I like to title this Monday's Crochet Chat. And I do have quite a few things to chat about with you guys today. So the things that I've been working on that I'm looking forward to, and hopefully some things that you guys are going to look forward to once I talk about them. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so one of the things I've been working on is this soup bowl cozy that I call it. And you just put your bowl in there, just like this. I forgot to bring a bowl in here. But hey, on my next video, how about I do that? So here is the pattern. Now, this pattern is in Crochet World magazine. You can go to Crochet World and you can actually purchase past issues. This was August 2020. That seems so long ago. Anyway, here is the, right here. I'm on page 10. Page 10. I'll never forget that. And then it is also in the Crochet Home magazine. And these, like I said, these are issues that you can still purchase. This one is May the 17th, 2021 is when this one was. And let me show you this one. This one, I don't remember the page number like I do my first one, right? Page 41 on this one. And then there it is again. So, anyway, I've been working on crochet soup bowl cozies. And the other thing is I have a new, well, okay, wait a minute before I show you that. I also have a tutorial for these soap bags right here. Now, I normally do 2 strands and you tighten them like this, but I decided I'm going to change it up, only do 1. And when you get your soap in there, you do 1 and you hang it up instead of doing the 2. I normally have 1 coming out this way and 1 coming out that way, and you do that. So you can still do that, but I decided I'm just going to do 1 on this one, but I made it where it has these hose so that your suds can come through really good. Isn't that nice? Anyway, these are made with cotton yarn, and I made this one with a 3.25 millimeter. It's 100% cotton. This is K&C yarn that I used. Isn't it pretty? It's 100% cotton, 180 yards. I believe I got this from Joann's. That's where this came from. The color is lilac variegated. But yeah, there it is. And this is how it looks once it's made. So I'll leave the link to this tutorial that I have, and in case you want to make one. I'm getting started on Christmas gifts. And like when I make this, I will actually buy a bar of soap, and I'll keep it in the little box and put it with this. That's what I do. I made these, I don't know if it's, I didn't make them last year, but I made them the year before, and they were a big hit. So I'm going to do that again this year. And I will talk about that later, because that's a whole nother thing that I will be starting with you guys maybe in August or September. Probably September. Let's see. Yeah, I think maybe in September. So I'll talk more about that, but I'm super excited about it. The other thing is I've been working on a washcloth so that I can give you guys a tutorial to make a washcloth. This one is made with DK yarn. It's Line Brand 24/7, I believe, and it's succulent. And I can't remember what this color is. I can't remember what that is. But it's made with a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. So I will be showing this to you guys. I love this. Just love, 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 love it. Okay, the next thing is on the washcloth. I made this one. And this one is with a medium 4-weight yarn. This one is with a 3-weight yarn. This is 100% cotton. It's called Premier Just Cotton, and I believe I may have gotten these at the Dollar Tree. The color on this is Earth. It's a medium 4-weight, 104 yards, 85% cotton, 15% polyester. And then the blue color for you guys, it's the same thing, except the color on this one is sky blue. So these are the 2 that I used to make this cloth. So my goal is, or my goal was when I made this, that it would turn out just the same size as this one. But they're a little different because of the weight. But look, they're the same width. They're just, this other one's a little longer. The same amount of rows though. They each have 30 rows to them. But medium full weight just made it a little longer. But yeah. So I am going to remake this one in a 3 weight. I got to find some more of my yarn for that. But so going forward, this is going to be part of the washcloth. I mean the soap bag. This is going to be part of the project with the soap bag. So you can probably sort of guess what is coming up. Anyway, so be looking forward to that. Let's see. The other thing is, oh yes, and I'm so glad you guys are enjoying the Stitch of the Week. I do have planned now. Next week I will be out. I shouldn't have any videos unless I schedule something. I'll have that. So be looking forward to the daily Bible reading that I'll have, devotion. I'll have that. And maybe the Stitch of the Week, maybe next week. I'm not sure. And when I'm on this cruise with some of the other podcasters, Billy from the Crafty Floridian, she is going to do a live of all of us. So be sure, I'll leave her link to her channel below so that you can check that out in case she goes live and shows all of us. My sister Tanya is going with me. It's going to be so much fun. And I get to meet some wonderful ladies. It's going to be a lot of fun. I know Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too. She's going to be there, and I'm really looking forward to meeting her. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to miss you guys. I'm going to miss doing these videos, but I'm going to have so much fun sitting around crocheting with these ladies and just getting to know each other and bonding, and it's going to be a really good time. Anyway, so when I get back, I'm going to attempt, I don't know, I am working on it, and this is part my sister Tanya's idea from something she said, which gave me the idea to do this. So I want to do my first crochet along that is like a mystery sampler blanket crochet along. I have never done anything like that before. I've done crochet alongs, but not something like this because I have to make sure all the squares end up the same size. And, you know, that's not an easy task, right? So, you know, it could involve changing hook sizes. I do not want to involve changing my yarn. I plan on buying the same yarn for the whole project. So, yeah, I do not want to change the yarn. Just the hook side, possibly if I have to make it come out the way I want on certain squares. So we'll see. It's a lot of brain work, guys, a lot of brain work. But anyway, I am working on that for you guys. I'm getting all the math part of it down right now. And, but yeah, look forward to that when I come back from my cruise, and we're going to jump right in. So get you some yarn. I do plan on it being, I don't know, maybe 7 rows, 7 by 7 rows, 7 up, 7 across, or maybe even 7 down. If I want it more rectangle, I may do 5 across and 7 down, sort of like I did the patriotic one. So, yeah, I'm still working on the math part of that, because it depends on how many squares I have to do, depends on how, you know, how long this is going to last, you know, that type of thing. So, yeah, just get excited. I'm so excited. I'm just stoked over this idea. And Tanya, I just want to say I love you so much, sis, for just inspiring me. Some of the things on our long talk, some of the things that you say, just they really inspire me. So anyway, so after that crochet along is over with, I'm starting another crochet along. I've already got another one in the works. So yeah, it's exciting. And if you love my basket tutorial, all right, guys, I have another one coming up in August. So be sure and stay tuned for these upcoming videos that I've got. I'm just so excited over all the things I have. I have me a notepad, and I hope I can keep up with all this stuff. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. Consolation. You, O Lord, are a shield about me, my glory and the one who lifts my head. Psalms 3:3. Picture a young girl running a race. She leaps off to a great start when the gun sounds. She pushes her way to the front of the pack in no time and sets a pace that is tough to compete with. As she rounds the final corner with the finish line in sight, she stumbles. She tries desperately to regain her balance, but it's too late. She crashes to the ground. Trying to be brave, she jumps up and sprints the final yards to complete the race. 4th place. Head hung low, skin needs burning, and vision blurry, she walks over to her coach. He gently lifts her chin to the sun and brushes away the tears that have spilled over. As her bottom lip begins to quiver, he reassures her that everything is going to be okay, that life is full of painful moments that creep up unexpectedly, but it's also full of second chances. Don't give up on yourself, he says. I haven't given up on you. God, when I've given up, run away, lost the plot, or stumbled and fallen, you don't give up on me. When I come to you with my head hung low, you lift my chin, look deep into my eyes, and whisper tender words of compassion that reach the deepest places in my heart. I am blessed. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. I loved it. That's all that I have for this video. Like I said, I'm just super excited to share this crochet along idea with you guys that I've got upcoming. Get you some yarn, whatever amount of yarn, and since I told you what size, how many rows it may be, that can kind of help you figure out the colors that you're planning on getting. So yeah, let's get excited about this crochet along. I would love to see each and every one of you guys join this with me. It's going to be so much fun. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.